Hi, my name is Ryan DeLuz, and this is a tutorial on creating custom workshops with Alive Pioneer. Custom workshops are available from the Alive Workshops section. Each MP3 or XML file in your document's Alive Custom Workshops section creates a custom workshop in Alive. Alive audio workshops, such as letting go or body scan, are guided audio exercises that can be performed while recording smoothness and other physiological data. If you add your own MP3 file to the Alive Custom Workshops folder, which I have done here by adding the My Audio Workshop MP3 file, you can then find your new workshop in the Custom Workshops folder. If you create a text file with the same name, your custom workshop can have both audio and text. The XML-based workshops are more complicated. If you are very technical, have some programming experience, or are just willing to experiment until you get things correct, you can create more complex custom workshops. Somatic Vision can't give detailed customer support in designing custom workshops, but if you want to try yourself, hopefully this tutorial will help you, or a technical friend or associate, succeed in creating your own custom workshops. The easiest way to start creating a custom workshop is to first copy the stress profile XML. Select it, then press Ctrl-C and then Ctrl-V to make a copy. Then rename the copy to name your new custom workshop. I'm going to then right-click the new XML workshop and open it in Notepad. If Notepad isn't an option, you can find it by going to Choose Another App and clicking Notepad. You can see here there are various pages, and each page has a name, text, a timer value, and some other attributes. So the first thing you may be able to easily do is to change the name and text for each page. You can also change the number of pages by carefully deleting or copying an entire page from the opening page tag to the closing page tag. Here I am deleting a page, and here I am creating a new page. If you remove the required tag, then that page can be skipped before the timer runs out. If you remove the completion sound tag, there won't be a ding when that section finishes. The scene tag opens a couple of special scenes, the Stroop test and mouse game, designed for the stress profile. There are additional tags that can be used: no marker, image, left text, and audio. Let's create a new custom workshop with all of the possible tags. I'm going to start by deleting all of the pages except one. Let's give this new page a new name and some new text. We need to go back to Alive and view this workshop so that Alive creates the folder we need to store images and audio files. Let's add an audio file to this first page and set the timer to 10 seconds so we can go through the pages quickly. For the second page, we'll just have some text, but have this text display on the left side, and in the center of the page we will have an image. We'll add a pause at completion tag, which will ask us to click OK instead of just automatically going to the next page. The third page will not have a timer. You must remove the required tag if you don't have a timer. This page will be displayed until we press Next to go to the next page. This way we can go through a custom workshop at our own pace, pressing Next to move on to each section. When we open our custom workshop in Alive, we can also disable or enable sections or adjust the time for each page on the screen. Press Start to start your custom workshop. Thanks for listening, and I hope this helped you design custom workshops in Alive.